Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to grant permission to objects to profile in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup. So from here, we click on setup and then we need just to go to user management settings. So we search for user management settings, and from there you will need just to set the enhanced profile, which is this one, to disabled. And after that, we need to search also for other settings, and we need to disable the enhanced profile user interface. So make sure it is disabled, and after that, we need to go to users and search for profiles. So there we can go to profiles, and from here we can get our profile, and then you can start find any profile or the user that are in some kind of profiles, and then you will need just to click on edit, and after that you will need to add their permission on some kind of objects. So basically those are the custom objects permissions, and those are the general user standard objects permission, and from there you can also change these permissions until you choose all the objects and give them all the permissions that you would like. And basically after you finish on choosing all these settings and setting up all these permissions, you will need just to click on save, which is here. So basically you click on save, and now you have granted uh, permission to the user that are parts of this profile, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.